What is affiliate marketing in 2024? Today, we live in an era where anyone can make $100,000 every month online. One way of doing that is with affiliate marketing. But the problem is, only the gurus are making this kind of money that we can only see in our wildest dreams. So why are the gurus keeping this secret to themselves? To not make any room for any competition. But don't worry, I got you covered. That's why in this video, I'm going to reveal the top secrets in affiliate marketing and making money online for 2024 and beyond. The gurus will love this video. Let me begin by giving you a simple definition of what affiliate marketing is and what exactly is a super affiliate. As the affiliate marketer, you refer a product or service to customers, and for every sale you make, you earn a commission. Now, what is a super affiliate? A super affiliate is an affiliate marketer who makes upwards of $100,000 or more in affiliate commissions every month, every week, or in rarer cases, every day. The very top affiliates make upwards of $100,000 every day, and these guys are at the top of the food chain. But how? There are two secrets gurus keep hidden from you, and later in the video, I will reveal why these secrets are not mentioned anywhere on the internet, even inside paid courses. Secret number 1, going viral. Super affiliates possess valuable and crucial skills that are high in demand, but so few can fulfill. Valuable skills such as creating viral content. Now, how does viral content help you make crazy amounts of money with affiliate marketing? The answer is simple. When your content goes viral, you get more exposure to the product or service you are promoting. Essentially, what this means is more views. More views mean more engagement. More engagement means more sales. In today's digital age, content is king, but not all content goes viral. A ton of content all over the internet that are meaningless and garbage. Here is a list of a few skills you must learn and master in order to create viral content and make money online like the gurus. Subskill number 1, copywriting. In this digital world filled with noise and minimal attention spans, you only have 5 seconds tops to grab people's attention. Master the skill of copywriting to instantly captivate your audience with killer hooks. Subskill number 2, storytelling. After grabbing the audience's attention with a killer opening hook, now you must keep them engaged and entertained. Subskill number 3, sales. And I know what you're thinking. What do sales have to do with going viral? Let me explain. You see, when you implement sales tactics in your content, you are talking to the viewers' pain points or desires or both. This builds connection, which builds trust. Good content builds trust amongst your audience, which is a key component in sales. With the skill of sales, you know how to convert viewers or readers into shoppers. Now, with the skills of copywriting and storytelling combined, you are able to write amazing content that can go viral. Super affiliates and gurus possess the ability to write content that can go viral. Now, why do super affiliates and gurus keep this from the public? The answer is simple. So they can make tens of thousands of dollars from you by building a mediocre online business. And what do I mean by this statement? Gurus charge upwards of $50,000 and more for services like done-for-you businesses and coaching. But who has that kind of money? That's why the new era of super affiliates are providing the necessary value you deserve. Today's era of super affiliates, like Benjamin Fairborn, have created unique programs to show you exactly how to crush it in today's economy. Check the link in the description of this video to see for yourself. And yes, in many occasions, the businesses the gurus build for you are mediocre at best. Why would they want their students to become the new masters? Think about it. There will be more competition and the gurus will be finished. But the pie is big enough for everyone to eat. So why not share the right knowledge? And stay tuned for part 2 of this video that I will be releasing real soon, which I will reveal secret number 2. If you want to level up, learn affiliate marketing and making money online, like and subscribe. I love to see my fellow affiliates crush it in this game. See you soon.